Savannah from Classy Clutter, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my sister Scarlett from Made It, Ate It, Loved It, her living room and also her dining room.
A few things I wanted in my dining room and living room area was that it was light and airy and that it was bright, and also that it was comfy and cozy and super inviting.
Scarlett said before, she was looking for a totally different style and a different look when she was redoing her living room and also dining room. And so this is what we ended up doing, and I love it, and I know that Scarlett loves it, and their family has been super comfortable, and it has just been such a fun transformation. So the very first piece of furniture that Scarlett and myself picked out was this pink sofa. You guys know that my love for pink runs so deep. I also love that this has like a very velvet feel. It's a very luxe feel. There was a couple of other things that we needed to be aware of, and having a lower back sofa right here, since it goes up to the dining room, was super important. And so this sofa from Article was the perfect pick. And this is where we started the whole design, and we kind of went off of this sofa. So after we picked out this sofa, we knew that we needed a second sofa. And one thing that was super important to Scarlett, and especially Scarlett's husband, which I will say, he thinks this sofa is such a comfortable sofa, even though it's pink. So that's been amazing. The other thing that we for sure wanted is we wanted to have lots of seating, and we also wanted the comfort. And so we went with this sectional that has a chase, which makes a huge difference because it adds a little bit more of that lounge space, but we wanted this space to feel really elegant and pretty and put together, but it's so nice that it has the comfort of a chase, which makes it feel that much more comfortable.
For the coffee table, we went with this marble top with oak legs, and I think it's the perfect coffee table for this space. I love that this space is perfect to hang out in, and I especially like eating Scarlett's treats while sitting in it. These items were from Article, and you can find all of the links in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, see you later.